Hello and welcome to Revision Mitra classes. Friends, this is the last lecture of geography under geography series. So far I have discussed about Bihar geography and general geography topics. So I tried to cover all the important facts and figure and concept under geography. Today's topic is motion of ocean. So before that one, I would like to offer apology that I could not post any videos since last 1 month because I was extremely busy because of my some personal reason. But I can promise you that from now onward I will be very punctual and at least one video will be posted on my channel in every week. So coming back to today's topic. So today's topic is motion of ocean. So before that, let's understand what is ocean. As you know that ocean is the largest body of water on the surface of earth. So it's 71% of the earth's surface of water that is covered by ocean. So only 29% of the earth's surface is terrestrial. So what is motion of ocean? So friends, if you visit seashore, then you will notice that ocean water is always in motion. This is never still. So what is the cause of that one? So that is the thing I will be discussing in this lecture. So there are different types of movements of ocean water under the influence of what? Temperature, salinity and density. Movements of ocean water are also affected by the external forces like the sun, moon and winds. So these are the causative factor that is causing motion of ocean water. Movements of ocean water can be classified into three. So first one is called waves, second one is ocean currents, third one is tides. We have to understand that waves and currents, that means ocean currents, are horizontal movement of ocean water, and tide is a vertical movement of what you see here in this picture. So this is the wave. Now let's understand about waves. So waves are oscillatory movements that results in the rise and fall of water surface. On the sea surface you can see that there is a rise and fall of water, but actually that is caused by wave energy. So not the water particle that moves across the ocean surface, it's the energy. And what is that energy? Wave energy. And this energy for the wave is provided by the, from where wave is getting energy, that is from the, let's understand the factors that are influencing the origin and nature of ocean currents. So first one is difference in density, and second one is earth rotation, third one is the winds. Now let's understand ocean currents. So what is ocean current? Ocean currents are like a river flowing in an ocean in a definite direction, and ocean currents are formed by winds. Usually ocean currents follow the path of winds, and direction of ocean current is influenced by the rotation of earth. We know that earth rotates from west to east, and ocean currents are also following the same path. Here you can see in this picture different ocean currents. Here green one is cold water currents and red one is warm water currents. Now let's understand types of ocean currents. So first one is warm water currents. So what is warm water currents? Those currents which flow from equatorial region towards the pole and have a higher surface temperature. Here you can see in this picture. So this is equatorial region, and you can see here from the equatorial region there is a warm current that is going towards the pole. They bring warm water to the cold region. So what are the examples of warm water currents? So that is Gulf Stream and North Atlantic drift. So please remember this. Many times this question have been asked in various competitive examinations. So next one is cold ocean currents. So what is cold ocean currents? Those currents which flow from polar region. From polar region. You can see here. So this is South Pole, and here top there is North Pole. Towards the equator have a lower surface temperature. You know that polar surface is having deposit of ice. So of course that area is coldest region on the surface of the earth. So the ocean currents that is originating in polar region are cold currents. They bring cold waters into warmer area, that means in equatorial region. So what are the examples of cold ocean currents? So here you can see Labrador current, East Greenland current and Oyashio current. So Oyashio current flows nearby of Japan. So this was ocean currents and their types. Next topic is tides. So tides are the periodic rise and fall of the sea levels once or twice in a day, caused by combined effects of the gravitational forces exerted by the sun, moon, and rotation of earth. Here you can see that there is interplay of various gravitational forces and rotation of the earth. So here there is no single forces like gravitational forces of sun or moon or the force that is generated by the rotation of earth. So here you can see there are various forces are in action to create tides. Here you can see this is earth, this is moon, and this is sun. So here you can see this bulge, tidal bulge, we call it tidal bulge, and this is caused by the gravitational pull of moon, and here you can see in opposite direction also. So there is a tidal bulge that is caused by centrifugal force. So here you can see combined forces of gravitational forces and centrifugal forces. You can see bulge on the two sides of the earth. The moon's gravitational pull is major cause of occurrence of tides. Moon's gravitational force is the main cause for the creation of tides. Sun's gravitational pull and centrifugal forces due to rotation of earth are the other forces which act along with moon's gravitational pull. So this is about tide. Now let's understand different types of tides. So first one is called spring tides. So what is it? When the sun and the moon and earth are in straight lines. See here, this one first picture. Height of the tide will be higher than the normal. That is called spring tide. So when that happens, when earth, moon, and the sun are in a straight line, so then spring tides occurs. These are called spring tides. So spring tides occurs twice in a month, one on the full moon and other on the new moon. So this is about spring tide. Next one is a neap tide. So what is neap tide? So neap tide occurs after 7 days of spring tides. The sun and the moon becomes right angle to each other with respect to the earth. Here you can see this is sun, here moon, and here earth. Gravitational forces of the sun and the moon tend to counteract each other. The tides during this period will be lower than the normal, which are called neap tides. These are the two types of tides. So first one was spring tides and second one was neap tides. So friends, with this I'm ending this lecture, and I am announcing one important thing, that one of my friend is also a YouTuber. He has launched online quiz competition, so all of you can participate in that one. So there will be a cash award for the first three winners, like first prize, second prize, and third prize, and I will share that link. So please participate in that one, and please don't miss this opportunity to win a cash prize. So thanks for watching. So मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में, तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद.